Welcome inside a stunning oceanfront luxury estate located in Malibu, California, along one of the most exclusive stretches of the Pacific Coast Highway. This breathtaking home is valued at $17 million and offers direct access to the beach, with panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean from nearly every room. As you step inside, you're greeted by a refined interior featuring high ceilings, stone floors, and large arched windows that fill the home with natural light. The residence includes 7 spacious bedrooms and 9 elegant bathrooms, all designed with premium finishes and timeless Mediterranean-inspired details. The main living area flows seamlessly into a gourmet kitchen equipped with professional-grade appliances, a formal dining room, and a cozy ocean view lounge. The master suite feels like a private retreat, complete with a spa-style bathroom and a private balcony overlooking the waves. Outside, the property truly comes to life. You'll find a resort-style infinity pool, outdoor lounge areas, lush gardens, and even a private tennis court perched above the coastline. Additional features include a home theatre, wine cellar, fitness room, and multiple terraces perfect for entertaining. If you enjoyed this exclusive tour inside a $17 million Malibu mansion, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more incredible luxury homes. Thanks for watching.